Okay, so one of the things with this spreadsheet is we see here that this still hasn't shipped out yet. And I know we went over this last week that basically you need to email me when, um, like, it's been 5 business days we didn't get it. But, like, what you need to do is, so we didn't get this the first time. And what happened is they emailed me on last Monday that you'll see it here, this should release today. So basically, when that happens, that means that the clock restarts. So like when that happens, you need to make yourself notes in here wherever you need to put them that um, you know order was supposed to ship 12/3, and then you need to stay on top of it again. Just because we emailed them and they forgot to ship it and we didn't get it done the first time doesn't mean you can let this go. You have to stay on top of it. So basically, now it's been another 5 business days, and I don't know if it's shipped or not. So um, you really need to stay on top of this, especially even if they didn't send it out the first time. That's what happened. They didn't send it out the first time, and um, they um, they emailed and I emailed them and said, hey, you need to get this out, and then they got on top of it. The same exact thing happened on this one. I don't know when they said they were going to ship it again, but they emailed me last week sometime, said they're going to ship it, and we still don't have it. So like, if I would have emailed them yesterday, they would have sent it out yesterday instead of another day. So not only did we miss the first order, they didn't get it out. Now we emailed them again and they didn't get it out again. And because we didn't email them, we didn't stay on top of this. I wasn't able to email them to for them to get it out. The point is if just because they forgot to ship it out the first time or the first 5 days comes up, once that first 5 days goes through again, and let's say they ship it out, then the clock restarts, and then we need to recheck it again in 5 days. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.